In this demo, we'll see how can we restore an existing database to Azure. For that, the steps that we'll do is, number one, maybe first uh, restore DB on local SQL Server. Now, to restore the existing one to Azure, we need the backpack file. So what exactly is backpack file is, maybe let me show you over the internet. So it is again a snapshot only. It's a zip file with the extension of backpack containing the metadata and data from the database. So it is basically the snapshot which is available when the restore or the database backup was taken. So it can be restored to Azure Blob Storage or the local storage. So basically this is all the SQL database. We can do that. So this is what we are going to do. To restore this on this one, basically on Azure we need the backpack file. So, and to convert to backpack, we need a package. So let's see where the SQL package is available. So we will just download the SQL package. So maybe this is the one. Let's see. Let me write the command download SQL package. So we can download the SQL package. So we can install for Windows, .NET Core, etc. These are the various files that are available. So using this package, what does it do is this utility creates a means it takes the source location and the destination location and it does the work for us. So we download the MSI installer and let me just open this. Click on the next button. I have already installed it. So basically I can either remove it and install it again. And if you install it, it will install this package at the location which I'll show you in a moment. So it will be there in C drive, program files, Microsoft SQL Server 150, and it will be at 15 SQL Server, MS SQL, bin, and herein what we'll have is SQL package. So it will be available in, not here, let me go back, SQL Server 150 and DSC bin do we have here. So here in this is the file that we have. Now what I've done is I've already restored the database here. Let me just disconnect from here and connect to the local database. SQL Server localhost. And let me connect using the Windows authentication only. So in terms of the databases that I have is I got AdventureWorks 2020. Let me restore the existing database which I've downloaded. So you can either say that download AdventureWorks 2017.bak file. So you can download this sample database. So I have already downloaded this. This particular file is the one. This is the one that I've downloaded. So which is available at this location wherein I got some database backups. So this is the one that I've downloaded. So let me take this location, right click on databases, restore database, device, add AdventureWorks 2017.bat file, click on OK button, and it will restore the file for me. Now what I need to do is I need to convert this BAC file or the file to DAC file. How it is done is I'll just open the script that I've already created. So database scripts. So convert db, let me just db to BAC file.bat. So I've already created this. Let me just click on the edit button. Here then what we are doing is maybe I'm just converting this, just putting some command converting this. We are changing the directory to the file where the SQL package is located. Otherwise you can also write down the same thing, D drive, basically, but you need to change the directory to C drive, then you'll be able to write the path here as well. Now I change the directory to bin, the location where the SQL package is available. Thereafter, I specify the action which is to be executed. Action is export, and this is the server location. And thereafter, we specify the database name from the source location. Then some of the properties like encrypt connection, trust the certificate, and where do you want this backpack file to be created. So we specify this, and thereafter we specify the source username and password. And if we run this file, what will happen is we create the backpack file which I've already created. Let me just do it again. So backpack files, so this is the one. Let me just delete it. Let's see how it is done. So you open the command line, we open the command prompt. So go to this path that we have, D drive, and convert db to backpack. So we run this, and in a while the backpack file will be created. And we can see this file has been created here. Now we want to upload this to the drive, to Azure. So this is the file that we have. Right click, edit this. So this is the one that we have. We here, and again we are doing the same thing. We are changing the directory to where this SQL package is available. We specify the action. We specify which is the target server, what is the database to be created, and username and password, and thereafter we specify the backpack file. Okay, let me just go to the same path again. I'm already at this path, I believe. CLS, and I run the command now. Create db at Azure using the backpack.bat file. So here at Azure, let me go here and let's see which are the databases. There are the only two databases I have. Let me run this again. So it is going to take a while. So I'm going to pause the video, and we get a warning: the project which specifies SQL Server 2019 or Azure SQL Database Managed Instance as the target may experience compatibility issues with Azure SQL Database version 12. But this is okay. So we can continue, And once it is done, it will show the screen like this. We go to Azure portal again, and here in this is the database which has been deployed. So we click on this, click on query editor, and we click on OK button. We are logging using the username and password. Let me enter the password again. Click on OK button. We can see this. So it has opened the database, and we can see the records as well. So we select top 1000 rows, and it will show us the data as well. So which is what we were looking for, and we can see the records as are listed below. Now if we go to the database again, go to the server. Here in not the server, let's say we go to compute plus storage, and this is okay. The query results to be discarded. Herein we'll see that it has created a compute with the general purpose one, which is a default one. So we change it to basic. Click on the apply button, so that we are charged less for the database that has been created.